All right, so since I am finally together with my friend Katie,
Yay.
and she tries so hard to get the New York accent down, I'm going to try to teach her today how to say, hey, how you doing?
I can't channel my inner Joey. I'm just so terrible.
So you got to get the mojo going, you know.
Okay.
You got to kind of loosen up, you know, and then you got to kind of get your inner Fonzie, you know, Arthur Fonzarelli. You got to kind of get that flowing and just go, hey,
Hey.
hey, and then you just go, hey, how you doing?
Hey, how you doing?
Okay, wait, I'm gonna try one more time, guys, and I'm really trying my hardest.
I just can't get it.
All right.
Okay.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey, how you doing?
How you doing?
Okay.
I just